Hello everyone, welcome once again back to Slime Rancher. Today I am playing with a brand new controller which will hopefully help me out a little bit. So let's take a look at everybody. Ooh, wow. Cash all these in. The more, okay, no. Some of these guys, which I think are barely eating anything at this point. Not sure. I should probably turn down sensitivity. It's raining with cash now. Anything here we can buy? Just that, that's it. Last thing I remember. We haven't gone to over here yet, to the very end, right there, that blue thing. But we need a key. So, I remember that Gordo slime. It was, which one? This one. I need fruits. We're literally almost done, like, there's barely anything left to do at this point. Except for probably trying to get more slimes onto the ranch. That's basically it. What? Oh yeah, the fruit, I forgot. There we go. Now that I think about it, let's go over here real quick. Yeah, my place is probably gonna overheat now because of it. Let's buy these. What else do I need? There's also these nice lamps we can get. What else? That can be helpful. That could help. That would help, but I don't think I would ever need it again after. Let's get one of these. Oh, no, enough for that one. So this is the last one I can get. And to craft some of these, I'm gonna need... Oh, I should probably get these now, shouldn't I? If you hear PS4 overheating, I apologize for that. It always happens while I'm over there for some reason. I don't know why. Are you serious? Another blooper came out already? Well, it's gonna have to wait, because I need to search for that slime I missed one time. After I check on the other slimes. How did I miss one? Oh, since it went the day, it changed. And the price went up on it. Nice. Could have saved a few bucks if I wasn't paying attention. Oh well. Yeah, you guys are doing alright so far. Like, most times I've been just wandering around the place, like, goofing off like an idiot. But I want to try and get to the ending now. And that requires actually finally getting the last key from that last Gordo I saw. Uh-oh. Shoot. 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna need to find something to burn that. What's good? Where are the carrots? There you go, guys. Sorry, chickens, you will not be forgotten as your sacrifice is made. Ah, mangoes. These are definitely good fruits. So that's 30 fruit. I'm gonna need 20 more because I think every Gordo needs 50 fruit. So on my way there, the call will have to wait. I'll have to find some. Well, you guys are probably gonna eat these, so I might as well take them off your hands. Yeah, see, you guys are barely eating these. And it's on the lowest setting, so I don't know why it keeps shooting out so many. Oh, go for it. I always panic. I always think, but I never think quick enough. Dang it. And boom, we're in the glass desert. Now all we gotta do is find that Gordo slime, get the key, and get to the last area. Hey bud, you ready to be fed? Join your family now. You can keep the rest. Got it. Alright. Be your family. Ingredients. Dang it. Ow. So we got a new ingredient. Nice. Alright, let's unlock the last door. Which I think is the last door. Oh my god, there's one right there. And there's still more? Shattered. Shattered? Which slime is shattered? It doesn't say it. Oh my god, are you serious? If I go down there, how do we get back up here? Oh, I think I see how. Well, Rooster, you're on your own here. I don't know how to get... Sorry. Yeah, I gotta add away some more of these water fountain things. If I can find them, that is. What was that? Oh, another one. And Nightshade. Nice. But who's scattered? Must have been one heck of a scorcher that caused these glass formations. They always looked like flames to me, like the great firestorm covered this land, before being frozen in time. Then again, maybe these are flames burning away, put at a pace we can't even perceive. Perhaps this desert has two different times overlapping one another, and here we are stuck in the middle of it. Wouldn't you that just be wild? And dang it, I was so close to reading that perfectly. Oh no, there's another Gordo. How do I get to that one? Hey bud, do you know how you can get up there? Oh wait, I think I see how. Hang on. Wait for the recharge. Come on. Ah, great. No. Don't fall. Oh my god, no. Are you serious? How did that not count? Yeah. Dramatic music, there's a little fire, so what? And mail from Casey again, alright. Yeah, you're happy because you can't get hit, can you? Hey, but... Oh! Are you blocking something? Ow! Okay, fine, I'll move. Jeez. So I need to get you some veggies so I can get past you. Which is down this way. What's that area right there? Oh my god, okay, I get it. Sheesh, I'll move. That way, right? Yeah, it's that way. I'll keep that in my mind that one Gordo's still there. And I gotta figure out how to water these up with fountains hidden somewhere. Oh, there's my answer. Okay, that's over with, so wait. Come on, and are you serious? Not even that high up? That's stupid. There's something up there. I'm not leaving until I figure out what it is. Are you kidding me? Really? Alright. Oh, so that's what's up there. Anything else? Nope, just this level... blue one. Okay, so this might be a problem. I don't know how to get over there. Unless I cheat the system and glide all the way over there. Can I make it? Yes, I can. And that's where I gotta put the other one at. Question is, where's the fountain that goes there? And ooh. Another one. Quite a sight to gaze upon the sand sea without out there, no? Dang it. I've scored every corner of the desert, and everywhere I look, the sand sea stretches to the horizon. Makes you wonder just where the heck on the far, far range you are when the sea slime, is nowhere to be found. Interesting. So what's this thing? Is it just for show? No, this is where the fountain is. And I don't know if that was lightning or that was a glitch, but something happened. Whee! Oh my god, is it? Two doors, Beatrix. Life is filled with moments where there's two doors, and you can only choose one. I came to the far, far range because a search for the unknown is in my bones. And in time, even 1,000 light years away from Earth wasn't enough. So I searched for secrets within the ancient ruins that led me here. This place was my ticket to go even further. The ruins are actually great engines that allow for travel through space and maybe even time. After years of study, I knew how to activate them, and I alone would be the first to cross over into the true beyond. It was the ultimate adventure. But then there's that other door. I met Thora and fell in love. What are the chances of that? She had a piece of my heart and the universe had the other. Two doors, Beatrix. So one door had love, the other one, which I'm guessing is right over there. Yeah, right over here, was the adventure. So which one did he choose? I chose my door. I went back to the ranch and promptly sold it. I packed my things and took a tour of this beautiful land one last time, leaving these little notes for you. It was time I said goodbye to the life I had. My hands and feet tingled as I approached this monolithic warp terminal. What lay ahead of me was an adventure unlike anything I have ever known in my life. I stepped onto the platform, my heart racing. This must be it. Or this? But I didn't go. I had packed for a new adventure, but it wasn't going to be beyond space and time. So I said a little goodbye to what could have been and headed to Thora's ranch. I'm looking forward to hearing the sound of those wind chimes. I've never been in love before, never known anything like it. It's time I got to knowing what all the fuss is about. So good luck to you, Beatrix. Always remember to use your head, but let your head do the thinking every now and again. It might surprise you. So he chose love over the adventure. So is it possible for me to go through this? Oh, that is a weird shot, but cool. So what will I choose? Will I choose the same thing? Will I choose adventure? Or will I choose love? Only time will know. What? Oh, so these are the prickly pears. I grabbed some, but I'm kind of full. Oh god, that's scary. Alright, well, it's time to head back. I wish there was a portal here. Ow. Alright, let's head back to the ranch. Donate these to the shop. Or whatever you want to call it. Machine. And then we'll be done. Man, what an adventure. But I don't think it's the end yet. We still got the fountains to water up. That sounds stupid, sorry. Oh, that didn't work. Boom. Nope. Nope. Oh no, another key? Dang it. Which means I have to go the other way. No. Why? Why the other way? I get easily lost here so many times. Okay, made it. Let's go rush up to the portal. Ow. You got it. Okay, yeah, you did. Let's go. I'm back. And I gotta collect all those. Crap. One sec. Crap, I forgot what you guys eat. One sec. Alright, well, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed.